Hi, I'm Irek, and in this video we're going to answer the following question. What happens after a customer makes a purchase? The purchase is often presented as the final stage of many customer buying cycle templates. It's viewed as the ultimate goal of all marketing efforts, but it's far from reality. The first purchase is the moment of truth, where people finally get to use your product or service. But your job doesn't end here. When subscribers become customers, you need to align your email marketing communication with their changing needs and help them become return customers and eventually your brand advocates, promoting your business among their friends and family. In order to turn customers into brand advocates, you need to create a great customer journey. And your email marketing communication is a huge part of it. Do you send valuable messages at every stage of the customer lifecycle? Do you help your subscribers make informed decisions about the purchase? Do you help solve real problems your customers have? Great email marketing communication can truly differentiate your brand. By sending your customers valuable information, you can achieve your business goals. Here are a few ideas on how you can plan your post-purchase communication. Cross-selling is selling an additional product or service to an existing customer. For example, if you sell coffee makers, it might be a good idea to provide your customers with a choice of complementary products, like coffee beans, cups, or cleaning liquids. You could also offer service, repair, and maintenance. Create segments based on the purchase history and send targeted communication with instructions on how to use and maintain purchased products. Send emails reminding your customers when it's time to change a cartridge to an aquarium filter, a car battery, or contact lenses. Add a segment with complementary product recommendations to your email template. This way, your customers receive valuable reminders, save time on product research, and you get a chance to increase sales in just a few clicks. If you are a dentist or a hairdresser, you can set emails telling customers when it's time to schedule next appointment. Upselling is recommending more expensive items, upgrades or add-ons, in an attempt to make a more profitable sale. In order to convince customers to buy more, you can offer a free shipping threshold or a discount on additional terms. Here's my piece of advice regarding post-purchase communication. Expect more from your customers. Satisfied customers are often willing to contribute to your brand's success. So ask them to share a sale link with a friend or leave a comment about the service you provided. Wait some time and ask them for a product review. Engaged customers will provide you with feedback necessary to improve your customer service and fuel your marketing efforts with customer content. Incentivize sharing. Create a referral program where people get rewards for referring friends. And when they do so, say thank you and ask them to refer more. Some brands are known for their amazing referral programs. Everyone with an Uber account has a personal invite code that they can share with friends interested in creating a rider or driver account. Tesla owners can give 5 friends free unlimited supercharging and a $1,000 credit toward a new car with their personal referral code. All Amazon customers can invite friends to join Amazon Prime via Facebook posts or by using an email form. When they join and make a $5 purchase, in return, Amazon gives $5 to a customer towards their next purchase. Run a loyalty program in order to incentivize repeat purchases. If you use marketing automation, you can add or subtract scoring points based on customer behavior. Use this feature to award engagement, for example, purchase or referrals, and make special offers based on the number of points collected. Identify engaged customers quickly and treat them like VIPs. Offer them something unique like premium content, a sweepstake, discounted products, or exclusive services. Remember that customer journey doesn't end on the first purchase. Engaged brand ambassadors are a great source of revenue.